Hello traders, this is Jay Lakhani, your Forex educator from BindalFX, and today I'm going to show you information about the BindalFX Investment Mastery Trading System. Before that, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm a professional trader, mentor and author of a book, Forex Mastery, A Child's Play, which is available from Amazon.com. It covers trader psychology, mental fitness and simple trading strategies. In addition to that, I do one-to-one mentoring, and during the mentoring we basically walk the talk. We teach you how to take a trade in live trading conditions. And the BindalFX Investment Mastery Trading System uses MT4 trading platform indicators. These are proprietary indicators. Firstly, we have a Bindal Momentum, Bindal Alerts, Bindal Trigger Line, Bindal Ribbon, and a price action 1, 2, 3 setup. So in this video, what I'm going to do is to show you step by step how all these 5 indicators work, and then we basically put everything together, confluences of indicators, and when you do that, you can have a near 90% probability that your trade is going to be successful, and that is a very high probability. All these individual indicators can be used on its own if you want to do for aggressive trading. Again, we show you how to do that. We have got over 200 video tutorials on forexmentor.net, and we basically upload new ones on a regular basis. We also have a live trading broadcast where, as I said, we hold your hand and guide you step by step. So let's have a look at each individual indicators. Here we have Bindal Ribbon, simple. When we have all red, we are basically looking to sell, and when it is green, or in my case white, we're looking to buy. Secondly, I've got a Bindal Trigger Indicator. So as you can see, my chart is very clean here. I don't have a lot of crap on the charts. So I like to keep it simple. When it is white or green, you're basically free to change the color to whatever suits you. I'm looking to be buying, and when it is red, it is sell, 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 sell. Thirdly, this is the Bindal Momentum Indicator. Again, as you can see, very clean charts. Right at the bottom here, I've got the Bindal Momentum. When the bars are blue, I'm looking to buy. When the bars are red, I'm looking to sell. Basically, the first 2 bars, this is B1 and B2, they are intraday scalping. B3 and B4 are basically looking at a longer term time frame. When I have all 4 of them with the same color, often you can expect a mega move, as you can see here. A big move. Initially we started out with B1 and B2 going short, and then with B3 and B4 gaining momentum, it was a near 200 point move there. And also up here, buy signal triggered there, and up she goes. In addition to the Bindal Momentum, I've got unique Bindal pivot points. There are 6 pivot points in total, and they are dynamic pivot points. It keeps changing with the price action. Okay, so these are very important. So right throughout the day, you will be seeing that these pivots do change, and they can offer fantastic opportunities for reversal trades. We have got green pivot, and we got the yellow and magenta. These are very powerful, especially the green one. and our video tutorials do show you a step-by-step guide how to use the pivot points. And lastly, I've got the Bindal alerts. This one I put it on a higher time frame, anywhere from 5 minutes onwards. You could have it on 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, it doesn't matter. So higher the time frame, you are basically looking for bigger pips and naturally bigger stop loss and bigger targets. In this case, I'm just looking at intraday scalping. Up arrow means I'm looking to buy, and as you can see here, it gives you opportunities to add to your winners. We basically advise members to break your position into two parts, TP1 and TP2, and at every pullback 1 to 3 we are looking to add to the winners. So as you can see, down arrow here, we're adding at each down arrows, and of course subsequently you have an up arrow there. That's a long, very small profit or a small loss there, and trend changes, and now we have got a sell signal. These indicators or these signals do not repaint. So as soon as a signal comes, you will basically see it, and after 10 minutes or 15 minutes you will not see it change. If it's right, basically you can see it. If it's wrong or a losing trade, you will basically see that. So how do we put it all together? So the way we work at BindalFX, again, this is a simple intraday scalping system. So right at the top, we would have the 5-minute chart. At the bottom, the 1-minute chart. The 1-minute chart we use to enter a trade. Obviously, I've got separate systems and procedures for higher term and swing trading. The rules are exactly the same. So here, if we look at it, this is a chart of Wall Street on 23rd of August. And as you can see, up arrows, that was a short trade there. And as you can see, it's a very tiny loss there. It didn't quite kick off. We tend to cut the losses and let the winners run. So here again, as you can see, a buy signal given, another buy, and every time we got a buy signal, we are staying in the trade, we are adding to the winners. Now as you can see here, that's the Bindal ribbon, and so long as it is green or blue, you are looking to stay in the trade. This is the Bindal trigger, and you can see it changes from red to white. So we are in the bullish zone here. At this stage here, the ribbons turned red, so we are really looking to be looking for shorts there. The trigger goes red, and it is a short trade there. So at that particular point, we are looking to trade in conjunction with this Bindal momentum system. So ideally, for a best low risk, high probability trade, I'm looking for all the bars here to be the same color. So if I'm looking for long, looking for blue or green, and the prices are above the trigger line, the prices are above the ribbon, and I have a 1, 2, 3 setup. So as you can see here, the 1, 2, 3 setup, it is basically a higher low in place. So you can see exactly the same time here, long signal there, my long entries there on the 1-minute chart, and really at every pullback I'm actually adding to the winners. Okay, so this is how the BindalFX investment mastery trading system works. Let me give you some examples of a trade. So these are sort of some real trades taken in our live trading room. And as you can see here, the bars there, B1, B2 are green. Up arrow there, I've got a 1, 2, 3 higher low form. I've got a support and a long trade taken there. So that's my entry. And as prices move up, I'm actually moving my stop. So this is a stop profit. It's not a stop loss. Okay. So at this particular point, no matter what happens, I'm in the profit. I also observe the pivot points. These are unique pivot points. And often when I have got these pivot points together, expect prices to rocket. So in this case, I've got the green pivot. Earlier on, we saw that the white and the magenta pivot held on quite well. And normally you get a 1, 2, 3 there, expect prices to rocket. In this case, as you can see, the green is breaking and prices did shoot off. And then what you are doing is you are raising your stop just below the trigger points. Showing you another example here. And as you can see, all my B1, B2, B3, B4 are blue, very, very bullish. Bounce at a pivot point there. Prices does a 1, 2, 3 setup about the trigger point, and at that point the entry is made. And normally I'm aiming to bank between 15 to 25 pips on my TP1, and as soon as that happens, I move my stops. The stops are being trailed. My TP2 target was met on that big up move. So basically, in a nutshell, this is an automated trading system which tells you when to buy, when to sell, how to manage the trade. Of course, as I said earlier on, in addition to all these indicators that you receive from us, we also guide you step by step. We walk the talk. And you know what? There are not many of them out there who will walk the talk. It is easy to teach you and show you on historical data that yes, you could have bought here, you could have sold there, and everything looks absolutely fantastic. But to do it live, you need balls. You need guts to do it live. When a trader comes to me, often it could be a newbie trader. They haven't got a clue. Of course, it looks brilliant on historical data, right? But to hold their hand and to guide them under live trading conditions, you need to be totally geared up and totally confident. Again, this is something which I've done all day long at seminars. So if I do a 3-day workshop, Saturday, Sunday, basically we are learning the theory. We are looking at the trading system. All day Monday is live trading. So I could be there up on the stage, not just for 5, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, but the whole day long. I am actually taking the trades. The attendees are taking the trades. They are free to ask me any questions. And who has done that? Not many people do that. During the normal day-to-day trading, I've got a live trading broadcast which is going out to every members. Again, showing you what to do, when to do, why to do. Giving you guidance with mental fitness. As I say in my book, Forex Mastery is a child's play. This is a simple trading system. But does it mean that everybody will succeed? No. You could be at the right place at the right time. That doesn't necessarily mean that you will succeed. You got to be the right person. You got to be with the right mental fitness. You got to be with the right discipline. You got to be with the right trader psychology. And this is where we help you, we coach you, we guide you, so that at the end of the day, you've got a strong mental toughness. Guys, if you would like to join the BindalFX Investment Mastery Trading System, visit our website and feel free to contact us. God bless and happy trading. Goodbye.